Yo, what is good, YouTube? Yo, it's your boy Elton Benjamin, and I'm back here again with another video. You know how I do it. Just real quick, I want to tell you guys happy, New Year's, Merry Christmas, and all that good shit. I don't really celebrate Christmas like that, but for all you guys out there, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Hope you guys had all that you wanted, and I hope you guys get better on this new year, cause a new year it should be a better you. I'm just saying. Alright, so talking about better me, I've been trying some new stuff, and I decided, from the title, you guys know I've been trying out this right here, teeth whitening. Let me see that? My teeth is pretty white, right? Yeah.
No, nigga.
My teeth is OD white. So I've been using this for like 3 weeks now. Not 3 weeks, what am I saying? Like 2 weeks, right? And it has been working like amazing. I'm not even lying. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. Like the first time I used it, I was like, it's okay. It works. I could see that like it works, but there wasn't any drastic, change or anything like that, right? But it worked. I'm like, alright, I'll try it out. I'll keep trying it out. So I tried it out again. I brushed like twice a day, and before I know it, like my teeth started getting like really white. So I'm like, oh shit, why not make a video about it? So yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, drew that one on my shirt, drew this on my shirt. Yeah, if you guys like it, just go beneath and comment what's your favorite superhero. Oh, I'm guessing you guys already know what's my favorite superhero. Yeah, Spider-Man gang. This really, it's been working like really well. And since I'm on this topic, I also say here in 2017, you guys are probably going to see this in 2017 because I am shooting this video on December 31st, 2017. You guys are going to see this in 2018 actually. What am I saying? Yeah. So, here in 2018, I am actually going to get my braces done. I am already in the process of getting my braces done. So you guys can watch out for that video. Watch out for when I actually go get my shit done. Make my shit stop looking like chopped cheese. Like, here's a real close up of what my teeth look like. My lips are ashy as hell, bro. Let me step back. Alright, but yeah, so that's basically it. What it came with, it actually came with a toothbrush, but I don't use it. My brother was so intrigued about seeing a wooden toothbrush that I gave it to him. He's knocked out right now on the couch, so I gave it to him. But I'd say like this product, like if you guys are looking for a nice whitening product, this is definitely a product that you guys should check out. By the way, I'm not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by this company. I don't know what the hell the company is. Anyway. But yeah, activated charcoal, it really works. So I'm just saying. But yeah, also stay updated for my braces video and all that good shit. But yeah, you know how it is on my videos. This is a nice little short vlog. You know how I say at the end of all of my videos. Elton Benjamin out. Stay up, people.